welcome back. So guys, in this session we will discuss how to do mouse over. Okay, so if you will go in this website like Flipkart, or if I will do like hover it, you can see this pop-up will come. So how to handle the mouse over in Playwright? So let me launch this application. Page dot go to, and here we have a Flipkart. And now then first you have to find the element where you have to do mouse over, right? So we'll find the XPath. So I'll just taking the help from the selector hub, and this is await page dot locator. And now we can have here, we will store over there. So now constant sign in, or I can say sorry, login. Okay, login, and here await, you can take the help of this reference and dot. We have a guys method called hover. Okay, simple method, we have a hover method. So now I'll just wait for a couple of, I'm just adding some hard coded wait for timeout. Just, it's not mandatory. I'm just adding to wait for some time to watch this is working properly or not. Okay. So now let me execute this code, and this is your mouse over. So yeah, mouse over. So npx playwright test, then your file name. We are executing on the Chromium and headed mode. So let me execute. And now you can see it's a mouse over. This pop-up is also appear after doing this, so it's a little bit fast, and you could see still it's stuck. Okay, okay, let me, I'll re-execute this. Oh, I have given weight is 5,000, but that is fine. Somehow it's a timeout 30,000 again. Okay, so I'll do one thing, guys. Might be is it a issue with the locator or what? Login hover. Okay, it's a fine. Page dot locator, I'm giving the locator constant login hover. We can also wait. Let me re-execute this. Okay, let me re-execute. Mm, okay, let me re-execute. Okay, I think no need to give that wait statement because I have given the wait statement right. You can see now test is passed. Okay, so it is working fine. I think something went wrong, I'm not sure, but yeah, I just re-executed and it is working fine. So we have a simple method hover. Using the hover method we can do the mouse hover. Second test, I will write how to do the right click. Okay, second test, right click. Okay, right click. So we can go for this website. Okay, let me, this website. Okay, so here you can see we have a right click. So you, when you will do right click, then only this pop-up will appear. Okay, so I'm going to use the same URL. So I'll just go and I'll change this URL. Okay, and next steps, what you have to do, you have to again find the element of this right click. So inspect and just find the element of this right click. So now this is your, I'll just copy the element from the selector hub. So let me, I'll just copy, and yeah, I'm just copying this element, and we can use the same await dot page dot locator. I'll just changing the element, and now this is your right click. Okay, right click. Okay, right click, and now or you can say I just mentioned the right click, or you can say the button. Okay, so now what I will do it here, you can write await right click dot click. Okay, here I will pass this. Okay, I will pass button. Okay, button. Here I'll just pass right click. Okay, that's all. So I'll just wait for not 5 seconds, I'll wait for 3 seconds, and I say run only this test. Okay, run only this test. So let me execute and we'll see this is working or not. Okay, so you can see now it's happened, right? It's a right click happen and our test is pass. So that's all in this session, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.